guys, we're here for 6.10, your last new lesson of the chapter. We're going to be regrouping with zeros. So as long as you got the last lesson for 6.9 pretty well, I think you're going to be okay today, as long as you don't overthink it too much, all right? So let's warm up here. Read the, Mr. Sanchez made 403 cookies. He sold 159 cookies. How many cookies does Mr. Sanchez have now? Well, if he sold them, he's getting rid of them, right? So that means we need to subtract. So 403 minus 159. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a quick picture of 403. Okay, and you can just write this problem and just look at the quick picture I'm drawing. So 400, 0 tens, and 3 ones. Okay. Well, if I want to subtract 159, well, I don't have enough ones. So the problem is I don't have any tens to regroup or to bring to make 10 ones. So what I have to do is I have to come over here and regroup 100 as 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. Sorry. I lost count while I was doing it. Okay, so that 100 becomes 10 tens. Well, now I still don't have enough ones, but now I have a 10 that I can regroup as 10 ones. And so now I can subtract 9. Okay, so if I subtract 9 here, I get 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and then I need to subtract 5 tens, and I have 4, right? And then I need to subtract 100, and I have 2. So let me show you what that's going to look like up here. So what we did in this picture was we crossed out the 3 and we crossed out the 0, but when there's 0, I can't do 1 less, because 1 less than 0 is negative, and that doesn't work, right? So you have to come all the way over to 4, okay, and that's what we did here. We crossed out one of these hundreds and made it 3, and then when there was 0, we made it 10, okay, but then we had to cross out one of the 10s and make that 9 tens to get this to be 13. So that was what I did over here in this picture. I know that was a little confusing. We're obviously going to do some more examples before I let you loose on doing it, but I just wanted to show you the picture behind what I'm actually doing with the crossing out. There were 4 hundreds, 0 tens, 3 ones. I needed to subtract 9 ones, but I didn't have enough. And there were no tens to regroup, so I had to make 100 10 tens. Then I could take one of those 10s to regroup as 10 ones. Okay? All right. Let's go over and take a look at the purple box to kind of talk about it one more time here. So if we're doing 504 minus 178, okay, well, when you do 4 take away 8, you cannot do it. So what you have to do is regroup. Well, when there's a 0 in the tens place, there's nothing to regroup. So that's why they crossed out this 10, or crossed out that 0 and crossed out that 5 and made the 5 a 4. And the 0 a 10, because I brought 100 equals 10 tens, right? So that's the first step. Well, I still don't have enough ones. So that's why you cross out the 10, make it a 9, and then this can become 14 then. So then I can do 14 minus 8, and that's 6. And then you got to make sure you cross out that 10, because if not, you're going to try to subtract it, and that's not right. I don't have 10 tens anymore. I'm down to 9. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. 326 there. Okay? So the best thing to do now is to just go ahead and practice, because once you practice, you're going to get good at it, and we just got to keep practicing. And if after today's lesson, if you still don't feel you understand, practice some more, or even rewatch the video, or look up some YouTube videos on regrouping with zeros, and for some extra ways to practice. Okay? All right, 308 minus 259. So 8 minus 9. I can't do it. So I cross out 8, cross out this 0 here. But when there's 0 in the tens place, you can't bring any over, right? You can't do 1 less than 0. So that's when I have to go over to the hundreds. This 3, I do 1 less. The 3 becomes a 2. And I'm bringing that 100 over as 1010. So this becomes 10. All right. I still don't have enough ones though. So I have to cross out the 10 and make it a 9. And then now I can make this 18 because the 10 tens are now, or the 110, that there was 10, I'm taking the 110 and moving it over to the ones place as 10 ones. And so now I have 18, and I can subtract 18 minus 9, and that is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer would be 49. 49. Okay? I know. I said the last lesson was the trickiest lesson, but I forgot about zeros. Subtracting with zeros is a little tricky as well. Okay? But with more practice, you can do it. All right, and number 2, sometimes once we add all these extra steps with the zeros, kiddos forget how to do just basic regrouping. So let's make sure we don't forget how to do that. 755 minus 438. Well, 5 minus 8, I can't do it. But I have enough 10s over here, so I can cross out. The 5 becomes a 4, and this 5 becomes a 15. All right, you should be able to finish that with the subtraction now. It all looks good. So do 15 minus 8, then 4 minus 3, and 7 minus 4. Give you a couple more seconds here. All right, 15 minus 8, I hope you got 7. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3. 317 is the answer there. Okay, I've got another doozy here with the 0 and the 10s place. So, is there more on top or more on the floor? Well, there's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. I'm not going to cross out this 1 yet, because I can see that there's 0 there, so I need to get some 10s in the 10s place before I try to regroup my 1s. So I'm going to cross out the 0. And I'm going to cross out the 8 to regroup over here. So the 8 goes 1 less, and that becomes 7. And then I need to regroup that 100 into 10 tens. So that's just coming over here. When you add 10 to 0, you get 10, right? Okay, so now the whole point of this is I still didn't have enough 1s. So now I need to cross out the 1 and cross out the 10. The 10, you go 1 less, so that would be 9. And then the 1 becomes 10 more, which would be 11. All right, now I think you're good to subtract. 11 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 7 minus 3. Go ahead and do that. You guys are going to get this. I know it. 11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, 426 is the answer there. All right, let's go over to number 4. If you need to pause the video to kind of look back at what we've done and what's going on here, you're welcome to do that. Look back over your answers to see what I did. Rewind it if you need to. You can do all of those things. All right, and number 4, I see that there's more on top, 3 minus 2, so I can do that. No need to stop, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. If I do 6 minus 8, is there more on top or more on the floor? More on the floor, so you got to go next door. So I cross out 6, cross out 5. The 5 becomes 4, and the 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, and 4 minus 1. 16 minus 8, that's a doubles, so that would be 8, and 4 minus 1 would be 3, 381. All right, guys, we are at the point where we're doing another one of those regrouping with zeros. So I want you to pause the video and then just do number 5. Just do number 5. Pause the video and do number 5, and then let's check your answer. So go ahead and pause it. All right, guys, after you've done that, you press play again. So I see that I can't do 4 minus 8, but I see that I have 0 here. So I'm going to cross out 0, cross out 9. Do you do that, I hope? The 9 becomes, what'd you get? 8. The 0 becomes 10. okay? But I still don't have enough 1, so what'd you do with next? Cross out the 4, cross out the 10. The 10 becomes, what'd you get? 9. The 4 becomes 14. Very good. So if you didn't do that, guys, I need you to try to erase and figure out what you did wrong, okay? So 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 336. If you got that right, I think you're ready to pause the video and go ahead and roll through these next. If you got it wrong on your own, let's do another one together. But I want you to pause again and then come back and I'll check your answers with me. Pause it. All right. Number 6, 5 minus 1. Well, there's more on top. No need to stop, right? So I can do 5 minus 1. That is 4. Just because there's a 0 here doesn't mean that I have to regroup. If I don't need to regroup the ones, then I don't do it. Okay, but now 0 minus 3, well, I can't do that. So cross out, 1 less, 10 more. Here's what kids do, though. When they see a 0 in the tens place, they automatically just make it a 9. You don't need to do that. The only time you need to make it a 9 is when you're regrouping over to the ones place. But I have enough in the ones, so I don't need to do that. So that stays a 10. So then 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. 474. Okay. All right. Did any of you make that a 9? It's okay if you did. It's a very common mistake. All right. Okay, pause it again. If you're back, if you've already done all these and are ready to check your answer, you don't need to pause it. But if you need to do number 7, go ahead and pause it right now. Okay, I can see 3 take away. Well, 8 is on the floor and it's more. So if there's more on the floor, you got to go next door. Well, there's a 0 next door. So I can't bring any over the ones yet, right? So I got to get some 10s over there. So cross out 0, cross out 6. The 6 becomes 5. The 0 becomes 10. Okay, I still need some over here. Whereas up here I didn't need any more. So I left it a 10, but I still need some over here. So I need to make it a 9, cross these both out, make this a 9, and make this a 13. Now you're able to subtract. If your regrouping is wrong up here, before you start just copying down my answer, I want you to fix your regrouping, okay? All right, 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 275. All right, kiddos. Number 8, 442 minus 238. Well, there's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. Cross out, 1 less, 10 more. You didn't forget how to do this, right? 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 204. Those are the easy ones. So much less crossing out. Okay? It used to be the easy ones when we didn't have to regroup at all, but now just one regrouping is the easy ones. Okay? If you're not caught up, make sure you're pausing and doing a problem and then press and play. Pausing, doing a problem, then press and play. I want you guys to do them and then check your answers with me instead of just copying down my answers. It won't help you do it, help you learn it. All right? 901 minus 675. Well, 1 take away 5. There's more on the floor. So I got to go next door, but there's 0. If there's 0, I got to go next door again. I got to go to my other neighbor. This neighbor didn't have a cup of sugar for me to borrow, so I got to go over to this neighbor and get a cup of sugar. Okay? So cross out 0, cross out 9, and make this an 8, and I make this a 10. Now this neighbor has plenty of sugar to give to me. Okay? So I can cross out my 1, cross out my 10. The 10 becomes 9, and this becomes 11. Now I have sugar, my neighbor has sugar, and their neighbor also has sugar too. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make this a little more fun for you. 11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. I'm going to go ahead and pause because I'm almost out of time. I'm going to do these problems, and then you can check them in the last few seconds that we have together. All right, guys, number 10 was a doozy. You had to regroup with the zeros, so I ended up having to make this a 12 minus 6, and that equals 6. This ended up having to be 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7, and 6 minus 4 equals 2. In number 11, you only had to regroup the 1, so 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And in this one, there was no regrouping. Check that quick. If you're confused, watch the video again. I'm out of time. Bye.